Hi, this will be a video for demonstrating PA3, the converter. So I copied the bare bone, actually FPS projects over, and I modify it so I can fetch all the vertex informations. It's all here. It's not optimized yet, so it's still displaying a lot of vertex info. But my codes mostly happens around this region. So I grab the vertex and store them into my own array, and so this is say this is the case where I enter the texture formats, and then I will parse the texture data into its own array, and this is what the most of the magic happen. It's called converter output. Basically, by this point, you have all the vertices and number of vertex triangles, and optionally texture data. And then further up, I break down the vertex from this, which contains the coordinates UV and normals into three chunks, and then parse them into their own arrays. And then I will this is the equivalent of the package header from PA1. What's in it here is basically has the number trial list and model name. Well, for those I haven't really used for now, so I'm thinking about like converting the bounding sphere data from the converter, not during runtime, because that will consume sometimes for optimization purpose. Anyway, and then each of the array lists will be parsed. Basically, it's like Vodka exe, but they don't really convert into file, but instead they insert into the data package, and which you see here. They will insert all the data into this underneath this header, and then afterward I will write the package header and or data package into a file, and this will be the only output files that will appear after you run this. And yeah, PA3, I'm gonna run the release builds. Yeah, I will like kind of reorganize everything to make it more pretty and stuff. For now, we have the exe ready, and so in order to run this, I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna run command lines, and then go into a directory, and then fbx converter. Let's say I'm gonna convert the buggy here, fbx, and the output to be I'll just name it SMDL is my custom format extension. In this case, I will include texture, which is the buggy diffuse texture, TGA, and then it will start in converting everything. And then it will after that it will generate the SMDL file format. Yeah, I will need to remove all this printout statement when I have the time. As you can see here, buggy SMDL. And the same go with the others. I'm not gonna like cover all of them because they'll kind of consume time. I'm gonna cut this out and paste it, overwrites the ones here, which is my viewer. Oh, it wasn't here? Huh. Interesting. Oh yeah. Oh, SDL buggy. Oh, probably I chose a different name, so it wasn't named buggy before. It was called a buggy different. But anyway, I'm gonna port this to my viewer. And for my viewer, I will show a separate video demonstrating all the stuff. And wait, it's not checked out. Okay, I'll check out. For my models to work, I just need a file name. In our case, we'll just use our updated buggy as the model. Right now there's some warnings, but I'm gonna skip it for now. And I'll fix all those warnings later. Yeah, where is it? The buggy, right here. This is the models, we just covered it. And yeah, has all the textures bounded to it. Okay, this will be a video for converter. Thank you.